Hello, I will show you how to use Iseo tools. And here we have three different types of Iseo locks, pump locks. That is a long one. Here we have a middle and short cylinder. The key is the same for all of them. The only difference is how deep the key go inside of the lock. On the short one it go a little bit, just a little bit. Then on the long one the key go deeper. The way you have to use Iseo Automatic Decoder is identical for all of them. So this is a tool, this is additional handles. This is a useful device for somebody who cannot feel the start point, and it's work like this. Just untie a little bit and go and fix it exactly in the deep of the lock. I will show you how. Let me reset the tool. To reset the tool, you should go totally to the left, line to the start line, and this is the normal position. You have a round here and flat here. That is the position of the handle. If you mount it like this, doesn't work. It needs to be in that position. But to reset, just untie it here, go right, and you easily can rotate this head. Go like this and take your setup device, get it here and go in every hole from here. Let me show you better. Just go under the pin and press. You have 3 on one side and 3 more on the other side. That is the reset procedure. And now you can see the pins go a little bit out of the main surface of the head. That is the way you have to reset it. Now orientate the head, go left, and the head turn not so easy, that is normal. Then insert the tool carefully all the way into the lock. Now you can rotate a little bit and try to go back. In one point you feel that the tool stop going back, and you can untie it and put that piece here and tie it a little bit. And now you know that this is the start point. Whatever you do, you cannot go deeper, and the procedure runs smooth and easy. From my experience, I put this here and I feel the lock. I suggest you to do that when you train yourself. Just go in all the way into the lock, turn right or left and go back. The tool stop going back. Keep the tool in that position, apply tension and rotate the back wheel totally to the right. This is the travel, it's just a little bit, and then release. Go right, turn back and release the tension. Try to keep the tool in that position, do not go forward or backward. When you release the tension, you release a little bit and you will feel the clicks from the returning pins. That is sign that the tool work. Just untight the tension and tighten it again and pump on the back wheel. This is a self-impressioning tool. When you do that, the pins of the lock push the pins of the tool down, and when the pins arrive in the shear line, the tool turns. Now for you it's better to fix it when you are in rotation, and in that way you doesn't destroy the combination. You can turn all the way and go back and lock. And here you can also decode this lock. To decode the lock, rotate the head, go left, and take your setup device. There is a lines. You just need to go touch the pin and see the stop line, and you know that the first pin is 6543. 6543 is cut number 3, cut number 4. This should be high, 2, and we have 1 here in the hole. It's all the way down. So cut number 1. The 1 is maximum high, the last one is maximum deep. To open another Iseo, you have to reset and open another lock. In that way, you have to use the original Iseo automatic tool for pump locks. Let me see this one. Pretty nice combination here. I have this with a handle. Let me reset it. Though this is set it up already. Almost. In the box you will see also a small black box with the spare pins. If you lose a pin, you can change it very easy from the back. It's not a big deal to change it. Let me open this one. Just insert, go all the way in, turn a little bit and try to go back. In some point it stops, and that is the start point. Tension, pump, turn and release. Nobody can tell you how much you have to stay there, but till you feel the clicks, it means that it's okay. When you start to practice, you feel that it's very, very easy. Now you can fix and make the full turn, back and forward. How many times you want. You have a key for that lock. And once again you can check the different pin position. So that is the way you have to work with our Iseo Pump lock decoder. Thank you for watching and good luck.